Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Emma, and today we are going to talk about shopping at a store.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Hi Emma, how are you today?
Hi, Daniel. I am doing very well. How are you?
I am great, thank you.
That is wonderful.
Emma, do you like shopping?
Yes, I do. I enjoy shopping very much.
What do you usually buy?
I usually buy food, clothes, and small things for my home.
That sounds nice.
What about you?
I usually buy food and snacks.
Snacks are always fun.
Yes, they are.
How often do you go shopping?
I usually go shopping once or twice a week.
That is a good routine.
Where do you usually shop?
I usually go to a supermarket near my house.
Is it a big store?
Yes, it is very big.
What can you buy there?
Many things: food, drinks, fruits, vegetables, and household items.
Wow, that sounds convenient.
Yes, everything is in one place.
Do you make a shopping list before you go?
Yes, I do,
Why?
because it helps me remember what I need.
That is a smart idea.
Do you make a shopping list?
Sometimes.
Does it help?
Yes, it does.
What is the first thing you do when you enter a store?
I get a shopping cart.
Me too.
Then I look for the things I need.
That is exactly what I do.
Do you compare prices?
Yes, always.
Why?
Because I want to save money.
Good idea.
Do you look at special offers?
Yes, I like discounts.
Me too.
Finding a good price feels great.
I agree.
What is your favorite section in a supermarket?
The fruit section.
Really?
Yes, I love fresh fruit.
What fruit do you like?
Apples, bananas, and oranges.
Those are healthy choices.
Thank you.
I like the snack section.
That sounds fun.
There are so many choices.
Yes, there are.